Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. And if you are not new here, hey girl, welcome back. This is the long awaited, by me anyway, part 2 of my Chanel bag saga. So y'all see I have a box here, and we are going to open it on camera. This is definitely why I want to open on camera so I can have the video proof. I will get into that with y'all. Let me grab my scissors. Okay, we have our handy dandy scissors. I have it turned towards me so y'all can't see my address. But y'all, if you recall, I made a video about 2.5 months ago, probably a little more than 2.5 months ago, about how my husband found me a Chanel bag all by himself for only $600, a Chanel flat bag. Okay, we got it open, and let me just show y'all how it comes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And y'all, I am missing a nail. My thumbnail just fell off, so it is what it is. I'll put it back on later, but this is what it looks like. Okay, and as you all know, he found me this bag. It was a little worse for wear and needed some help. So we sent it, I tried to send it to leather surgeons first, and they wouldn't do the bag, and basically I ended up having to send it to Purse Rehab. So as you can see, it comes in a Purse Rehab dust bag, and we'll take this out and we'll put that right there. So it comes, you know, nicely packaged in their packaging and everything. And let's see how I open this. I open it this way. And yeah, my cats are already enjoying that box. Okay. And so basically, like I said, the bag was very worn. I forgot to throw that down. The bag was worn. It looked really dirty and dingy. And I'm impressed. Like, I just looking at it right off top, I am impressed. So basically, I asked them to basically restore it to its original color, so that I'd be able to carry it. And yeah, I have to say that I am impressed. I was like, if it needs to be recolored, you know, like recolor it and everything. So I will try to put up what the bag looked like before. Yeah, there was like a spot here that's gone, and they stuffed it as well and wrapped the chain. So they did offer to redo the chain, but this is, as you can see, this is like an aged gold hardware, and they'd only have been able to like replate it, so it'd be more like a regular gold, not like an aged gold finish. And I was like, no, I kind of want to keep this bag as close to, you know, how it looked. So what they did, yeah, so I also paid for basically this insert for the bag to help it keep its shape. So that's good. But yeah, this definitely looks like this is actually wearable now. So I will say overall, like, they did a good job. Like, the bag doesn't look brand new, but also I didn't want it to look brand new. Completely, you can definitely tell, like, you know, it's over 10, is it 10 years old? I think it might be 10 years old, maybe possibly a little over 10 years. But yeah, this looks like so much better than my original video. Go check out my original video. I'll definitely link it up above. But yeah, this looks so good. And I love how they restored the color as well. So I'm literally recording my video.
I don't care what you're recording. I'm home. I love you.
I love you too, but what are you doing here?
I live here. That's what I'm doing here. You must got somebody in here. That must be what's going on.
Yeah, you see what I'm doing, and I got somebody in here. You want to see the bag?
That's the bag.
It looks so much better. You see how it don't look like? It's like the color. So like this is the color, and like
Let me see in the light.
Yeah.
What you mean? It'll still look well. Okay.
Right. No, it looks like the color. Okay, y'all. So my husband just walked in. I showed him the bag. I don't even remember what I was talking about for real, but my husband asked. Why didn't I ask them to redo the hardware? And I was explaining to him what I just explained to y'all. And then he was talking about the bag, and he was like, I don't know, it still look dirty. I was like, it doesn't. Like, it looks like the color it's supposed to be. That's what it looks like now. Okay, so yeah, this is the color. I was telling my husband, this is the color of the bag. Okay, so basically they had to get like a dent. Like there's like a mark in the leather, but like this was like really bent. The handle, the top part. So they used some kind of heat method to straighten that up. But yeah, overall, I am very happy with the job they did. Now, as far as how long it took, like I said, they had my bag for 2.5 months. I had to follow up with them a couple of times. My husband wanted me to follow up with them every single day. Like, he was like, you emailed me about your bag. I guess you just ain't never gonna get your bag back. Oh, what did I'm like, they're gonna give me my bag back. Like, they're a reputable company. I'm getting my bag back. Now, why it took so long, I don't know. I realized when I initially like paid them, sent them my bag, like they didn't give me a time estimate. And so that was the first follow-up. And they were like, oh, usually it takes us 6 weeks. And at that point, it had already been like 8 weeks. They were like, yeah, we're gonna finish your bag up like by the end of this week. 3 weeks later, still no bag. So I didn't enjoy that part of it. You know, them saying, oh, we're gonna have your bag done by, and then like it took almost a month later before they actually shipped it out. So that part definitely could be a lot better. And as far as them keeping in contact about, like I said, if your turnaround time is typically 6 weeks and you have my bag for 2.5, I'm like, at least keep me updated throughout the process. That would be nice. But yeah, as far as the actual work that they did though, I'm really happy with how it came out overall and the color that they were able to achieve. I do think, you know, like this was the like original color of the bag, which if you see my first video, I was like, I'm not 100% sure because the handle I know is supposed to be darker than the actual bag. But yeah, like I said, I'll leave the video up above because like I said, I did get this bag for only $600. Well, my husband got it for only $600, which we all know is a steal for a Chanel flat bag. This was a seasonal bag. I don't remember all the details, but like I said, you can check all those out in the in my previous video. I will be back with the what fits and all of that jazz. But yeah, I just want to come out here really quickly, show that I finally got my bag back. And yeah, any questions about it, things I forgot about the process, if you're thinking about sending your bag to Purse Rehab or whatever, definitely just let me know in the comments. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.